This is Jay Jenkins of Pearson Education, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can link a MyLanguageLab course to your BlackBoard account. If this is your first time linking a MyLab course, you may have to link your Pearson account to your BlackBoard account. In order to do that, you'll go to Course Tools, and under Course Tools you'll scroll down until you see the Pearson MyLab and Mastering. If you do not see this link, Pearson MyLab and Mastering, you will need to contact your IT support to turn it on. Or you may be able to go down under Customization and then scroll down to Tool Availability. And as you scroll down, you look for Pearson. And once you find Pearson, MyLab, and Tools, you want to make sure that they're turned on. Content and Tools are turned on. And then you can submit that, and then you should be able to see the link, Pearson, MyLab, and Mastering, under your Course Tools area. Okay, so let's go back to the Course Tools area. We'll click on this link. My account is already connected to Pearson, so I see Select the MyLab. But what you would see here is Link My Lab to Pearson, and when you click on that, you'll just put in your Pearson information, which is your login name and password, and after that you will be linked, and then you will see these options right here. If you don't have a Pearson MyLab account, please contact your Pearson rep and they will make sure that you are set up with one. So since my account is already linked, I'll go to step 2, which is let's search for the course. So now we need to search for the Language Lab. And this is different than some of the other courses inside of Pearson. And so you have to search for a specific term the first time you do this. And that term is capital M, capital L, and then the @ sign, and then a 2, a 0, exclamation point 3. And so that must be exact. It is case sensitive. The first time you do this, it will bring up all of the different courses that you may be looking for. So it shows all the different textbooks, and so you just would scroll down until you find the textbook that you're looking for. And I am going to do, let's do Italian. So I'm going to select the Italian, and then I'm going to call this My Italian Lab. And this is very similar to just your regular MyLab course, so your MyLanguageLab. So I'm just going to say 101 Integrated. And I'm going to allow instructors to copy this. Once you've done this the first time using the capital M, L, at 20, exclamation point 3, the next semester you'll just be able to copy your previous course from semester to semester. You won't have to search that term every time, but for the first time of creating the course you will have to do that. So I'm just going to put in my dates. And then I'll hit Create Course. The course will now be created within the next 3 hours. Typically it will only take 5 to 10 minutes at most, but now we'll wait for that to go live. And what I'll do is I go back to the My Courses from Pearson area, and I'm going to sign in. So what you will see here is that I am inside of my Pearson. However, if we looked at the top of my browser area here, you'll see that the BlackBoard tab is just over here. So I'm still inside of my BlackBoard course. We're just trying to make a link between the Pearson and the BlackBoard. Okay, so now I'm back in my BlackBoard by going over to the tab. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to that Pearson MyLab and Mastering link under the Course Tools. And the course is not live yet, so we don't have any new links here, so we're going to wait until it goes live, and I'm going to do that by, again, switching over to the other tab to where the Pearson is. And notice it's gray, and until it's blue, it's not live. And also notice there is a chain link here that means that it is paired with an LMS, unlike my other courses over here that don't have a chain link. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this one more time to see if it's gone live. While we wait for that course to go live, we can go up and do another task, which is to add a content area over here in the menu for the Language Lab links. Make it available to students and hit Submit. From here, we're going to use tools to add Pearson and MyLab content. However, again, we have to wait for the course to go live before there'll be links. Oh, looks like we're good. So here we go. We can put these 2 items in there. And now the students will have access to the MyLab. They'll click on that, and it should bring them right over into the MyLab course. Now, as we link over, they'll be able to go to the student course. You, of course, can see your instructor areas are here, and then they click on Go to Course, and they'll go to their MyLanguageLab. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.